Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, Miss.
How are you
Morning,
today?
Miss.
I'm fine, thank
I'm
you.
fine.
I'm
How
fine,
about
thank you,
you?
Miss. How about
How
you?
about you,
Very well.
Miss?
Okay, thank you. Before we start this lesson, let me check your attendance first. So, first, Mentira.
Present, Miss.
Okay, next, Kaisha.
Present, Miss.
Next, Suha.
Present, Miss.
Rahma, Ayu.
Present.
Okay, and the last, Mehdi. Mehdi, okay. Thank you. Today, we are going to learn about daily activities through a listening activity. We will watch a video, listen carefully, and answer some questions based on the information we hear. I hope everyone can participate actively during today's lesson. Before we begin, let's look at this picture. What activity can you see in this picture, everyone?
Wake up,
Wake
Miss.
up,
We're
Miss.
wake
Waking
up.
up and
Uh,
Breakfast.
Having
Breakfast.
breakfast.
breakfast
Go to
and
school,
go to
Miss.
school.
Okay, very good. The activity is wake up, having a breakfast, and go to school. Okay, next. What about this picture, guys? What can you see in this picture?
A
Study, Miss.
girl studies.
Okay, study. Next.
Brush my
Brush
teeth,
teeth,
Miss.
Brush the
Eat.
teeth.
And the last.
sleep.
Sleep.
Sleeping.
Sleep, Miss.
Okay, excellent, everyone. These activities are example of daily activities. Daily activities are things that we usually do every day as a part of our routine. Now, I would like to ask you a question. What do you usually do before going to school? Who wants to answer?
Kaisha, Miss.
Okay, Kaisha, go ahead.
Yeah. Before I go to school, usually I have breakfast, Miss.
Okay,
Yeah, and then I dress up.
okay. Everyone else? What about uh, gimana yang lain? Apakah ada kegiatan lain?
I get dressed before going to school, Miss.
Okay, nice, Mintira. Okay. I excellent answer. So we all have different daily routines, and today we are going to learn about other people daily routine through a listening activity. Now let's look at our learning objective. After today's lesson, you are expected to identify specific information from a video. What does specific information mean? It means important details such as activities, people, place, or time. You are also expected to find detailed information about daily routines. In addition, you will answer questions based on what you hear from the video. Finally, I hope all of you can participate actively in our discussion. So, please pay close attention during the listening activity because you will need the information later. Okay, next. Okay, before watching the video, let's learn some vocabulary that might appear in the listening text. Okay, the first vocabulary is get dressed. Get dressed means putting on clothes after taking shower, or in Indonesian we call it berpakaian. And the next is take a shower, or in Indonesian we call it mandi. The next is study. Study is belajar. Read a book. Read a book in Indonesian is membaca buku. And the next, play games. Play games means bermain game. Okay, and the last is watch TV or movies. Watch TV or movies means menonton TV atau film in Indonesia. And I want you guys to repeat after me. how to say this vocabulary. Okay. First, get dressed. Repeat after me. Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Okay, very good. Next, take a shower.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Take a shower. Okay. Next, study.
Study.
Okay. Next, read a book.
Read a book.
Okay. Play games.
Play
Games.
games.
Okay, nice. And the last is watch TV or movie.
Watch TV
or
or movies.
Okay. Nice, guys. Okay. Good job. And the next we will learn about time expression. Beside activities, we also need to understand time expressions because daily routines usually include information about time. Let's read expression together. At 5 a.m. Repeat after me. At 5 a.m.
At
At
5
5
a.m.
a.m.
Okay, next at 6:30 a.m.
At 6
At 6:30
a.m.
a.m.
At noon.
At noon.
At noon.
Okay, in the morning.
In the
In the
morning.
morning.
Okay. At night.
At night.
night.
Okay, every day.
Every
Every
day.
day.
Usually.
Usually.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Always.
Always.
Okay, very good. Now let's discuss their meaning. At 5 a.m. means pukul 5 pagi. At noon means pada siang hari tepat pukul 12. Usually means biasanya. Sometimes means kadang-kadang. Always means selalu. Okay, and now let's see an example. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. In the sentence, usually tell us the frequency and at 5 a.m. tell us the time. Can anyone make another sentence using one of these expressions? Who wants to answer?
Kaisha, Miss. Kaisha want to answer?
Boleh, Kaisha, go ahead.
Yeah. The answer is I usually wake up at 5 a.m. Miss.
Okay, next. Okay, excellent, Kaisha. Thank you. And next,
Okay, Miss.
we will learn. And the next slide, you will listening a video I give to you and then answer the question that I will give you in the group chat. Okay? Okay, listen carefully. Listen carefully and focus on the activities mentioned in the video. Second, pay attention to the time expression. Third, try to identify important details because you will answer some question. I will play the video twice. The first time, just listen carefully. The second time, you might take notes if necessary. Are the instructions clear, everyone?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Thank you. Great. Let's start.
Sorry. Well, it is early. It's 7:30. I always get up at 7 o'clock on school days. I wonder what time other people get up. Let's find out about their daily routines. Tell me about your morning routine.
Well, I often get up at about 5 o'clock and have breakfast at 5:30.
That's early.
Yes, well, I'm a doctor. My work sometimes starts very early.
A doctor. That's interesting. Lydia, can you describe your morning routine? Well, I get up early and I always have breakfast before I go to school. I normally go to school by bus, but the buses aren't very good, so I'm often late for school. Michelle, what do you usually do in the evening? Well, children normally go to bed at about 9 o'clock. Then I sit on the sofa and relax. I often watch TV or a film. I usually go to bed at about 11:30. I never go to bed early. Georgia and Sophie, what do you normally do after school? I always do my homework after school. Yes, me too. No. Okay, that isn't true. I usually watch TV or play video games. Then we have dinner at about 8 o'clock. Do you help with the housework? Not really. That. I sometimes chat online with friends after dinner. I'm usually in bed at about 10. I always help with the housework after school. What about you? What's your routine?
Okay. Now let's listen one more time, yeah, everyone, and then after that we will answer the question. Now, please look at the question. Take a few minutes to answer them individually based on the information from the video. Okay, now you guys, I want to ask you one by one to answer the question from the listening before. Okay, number one, what time does Paul usually get up? I want to ask Kaisha.
Yes, Miss. He usually gets up at 6 a.m.
Okay,
6
nice.
o'clock or 6 a.m.
Okay, nice, Kaisha. Okay, next is number two. How does Lydia travel to school? Will be answered by Rahma. Okay, Rahma, answer number two.
She travels to school by bus, Miss.
Okay, excellent, Rahma. Number three. I want Maydi to answer. Why does Lydia sometimes arrive late at school, Maydi?
Because the bus is sometimes late, Miss.
Okay, very good, Maydi. And number four, I want Mentira to answer the question. The question is, what does Michelle do before she relaxes on the sofa? What is the answer, Mentira?
She does the housework or household chores before relaxing on the sofa.
Okay, nice answer. Okay, number five, I want Suha to answer. Number five, what time does Georgia usually go bed, Suha? Go to bed, Suha.
She usually goes to bed at 11 p.m.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, nice. Excellent, Suha. Okay, who wants to answer number 6 and 7? Who wants to answer number 6 and number 7?
I want to
Miss.
try, Miss. Number
Okay,
6.
Mentira, number 6. Go ahead.
The answer is she usually does her homework after school, Miss.
Okay, excellent, Mentira. Okay, now number 7, the last number. Who wants to answer?
Suha, Miss.
Boleh, Suha.
Who has children in the video? Michelle has children.
Okay, thank you, Suha. The answer is correct. Okay, next. Most of you were able to identify specific information from the video correctly. This shows that you listened carefully and understood the main details. Before we end today's lesson, let's reflect on what we have learned. Today, we learn about daily activities and practice our listening skills through a video. We learned several new vocabulary words related to everyday routines, such as getting dressed, taking a shower, studying, and watching television. We also learned how time expressions are used to describe routines for example, like at 5 p.m. or usually. During the listening activity, we practice identifying specific information and understanding details from spoken English. These skills are important because listening helps us communicate effectively and understand others in real-life situations. I hope today's lesson helps you become more confident listeners and English learners. Thank you for your participation and enthusiasm. See you at the next meeting, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.